Alright guys, welcome back to another bass episode here, doing some early pre-spawn fishing. We already have people catching spawning bass here in different parts of Florida here, but I'm gonna see how this body of water is. You definitely kind of see the bottom, that yellowish orange look. It's a hard bottom body of water, so probably be using a lot of dark baits with noise. See if we can get some bites. Ooh, it's windy out here. I was originally going to go fish another body of water, but it had a lot of boaters out there and people on jet skis and stuff. Plus it was like really choppy water, so I'm like, yeah, that ain't going to happen. So come to this smaller body of water. This is a tough spot, but it's been a while since I've been here. Last time I was here I caught a 315 off a chatterbait, so hopefully we catch some nice ones here. The biggest bass out of this body of water is a 6-pound bass. Caught it along that bank a couple years ago, I believe. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice one, dude. Solid bass. Alright guys, first bass of the day. Nice chunker here. Nice chunker. Pick that up hard and fast. Alright guys, let's see how much this little chunk is. Feels like a 2.5 pounder right here. What we got? No, we just got a fat 2-2. Nice. Let's let this thing go. Oh man, wow. Oh, this thing sucks for turning. Woo! What time is it? Almost 3. Got about 3 hours of fishing left, guys. Come on, we gotta catch more than one bass. But I'll take that one bass. Nice little 2-pound chunk. I need some more to satisfy my appetite for the evening. Really wish it wasn't so windy. Why is it gotta be so windy on my day off? What the heck is this? Oh yeah. Nice, another bass. I thought it was a gar for a second. Woo! There we go, guys. Another one. Well, we got a 2-3. So we got 2 2-pounders right here. So far, 2 decent ones. Nice. Alright guys, let's let this 2-pound chunk go. So far 2 on the big old fat stick bait here. Well, it was a Zoom swimming worm, but the tail ripped off, so I'm working it like a stick bait. Texas rig worm, you know what I mean? Let's catch us some more. Looks like it's just going to be a worm kind of day here. I've only caught like maybe 3 off a chatterbait and 2 or 3 off a spinnerbait, but mostly it's a Texas rig. It's hard bottom. It's always a muddy looking water, always. But let's see, boys.
2 hours later.
There we go. There we go. Ah, yes. Finally. 3rd bass of the evening. Smallest one of the day too. But yes, finally. It has been really, really tough. But hey, got 3 on the board. All right, thank you, buddy. Thank you. For a second there, I didn't think I'd get another bass. It's just been really tough.